While some might not be thinking this, meteorologist Kristin Emery says the rain that we're, I think, seeing on the radar behind her, we need that. Right, Kristin?
Oh, we definitely could use it, Royce. It's been a dry last couple of weeks, and we've had some scares with brush fires and very dry conditions. And although we haven't had any sort of watches or warnings issued in that regard, we do have some very dry air in place, and that's why it's taken this rain a little while to overcome that and moisten up the atmosphere. So it looks as if we've been getting poured on for hours now, but we actually only have picked up about maybe 0.2 of an inch of rain in some areas, and this will be our best chance for a wetting rain that will help everything start growing and get rid of a little bit of those drier conditions as we head into this next week, because once we get through Tuesday, we have another dry stretch of weather on the way, although some cooler temperatures. So first, we'll show you a little tour here of where we are getting some steady rain. Right now downtown, it's a little lighter than what it was about a half an hour ago when we heard the rain pouring on the roof. And just at the end of the Pirates game, they had some light, steady rain for the last few innings. Up into central and northern Beaver County, they're getting some steady returns there, and this activity is moving pretty quickly. These heavy cells were all the way down into southern Beaver County just about 15 minutes ago. And then a little further south in through the South Hills, Castle, Shannon area, Dormont got some steady rain the past half hour, and then over into western portions of Washington County, and even Washington had a couple of quick downpours there, but those are all moving up toward Allegheny County now. Very light rain being reported now in Pittsburgh, 61 degrees. The temperature has really cooled off, and the winds are still a little breezy, but they've backed off from some gusty winds we had earlier this evening, right when this front came through. So we're down to the lower 60s, upper 50s right now. Kataning's at 58, Franklin 57, Somerset 55, Indiana 59. Everyone else 60 to 63 degrees, and the high today was all the way up to 80. We were only 2 degrees shy of a record high. That was 82, set on this date back in 1978. The normal high, by the way, is 60, and we'll still be above that the next couple of days, although we'll be getting down close to normal territory by the middle of the week. Giant area of low pressure swirling out over central and southern Illinois. So that's the cold sector behind that. We're still in the warm sector of this system, pulling all of this warm, moist air from southwest to northeast. Over the next 1 to 2 hours, that starts to push off to the north and east. So we will be dry by around 6, 7 a.m. at the latest. More likely by 4 or 5 p.m. most of the rain will have exited off to our east. Then through the day tomorrow, we start off with maybe a little sprinkle early morning, dry but partly to mostly cloudy through the day tomorrow. We get a chance of a couple of showers again late tomorrow evening as this cold front, the trailing cold front, pushes through, and that whole system finally pushes off to the East Coast. We have 1 or 2 more rounds of showers late Monday into Tuesday. So the temperatures, well, look at this. We're in the upper 60s the next couple of days, down to the upper 50s Wednesday, Thursday, but lots of sunshine, and 60s again for next weekend.